So either one, Chrome or Edge, you can use it anywhere online. FlyMSG is super easy to install. All you need to do is download from the Chrome Marketplace, Chrome Store, and you can look up FlyMSG, FlyMSG, and you can download and install the Chrome app from there, and then we'll encourage you to sign up from within the app to set up your account. Or you can go to Edge and you can download a copy of the FlyMSG on the Edge browser as well. So either one, Chrome or Edge, you can use it anywhere online.